What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Welcome back to D's Card Break-In. Like always, I am D. Today, I just got another little mixer, just basically the same thing as last night, just a little more. Got 3 more of the hanger packs, a Donruss, 1 more hanger box, and then I saw this bigger box of the 2019 Gypsy Queen, and it, unlike its little brother here. Let's see, get both those on there. This one comes with 10 packs plus 2 bonus packs of exclusive parallel cards. Unlike this one, it came with 7 packs and only 1 pack of exclusive parallel cards. But it's in a lot bigger of a box. Let me get some of this cleared out of the way and show you the size difference just for a couple more packs. It's insane. If you guys have seen these in your local Walmart, then you know what I'm talking about already. Yeah, look at that size difference. That's crazy. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. I went ahead and scooped up that and got this. So let's go ahead and get into these Donruss cards here. And fingers crossed, starting to come down to the skinny on these things at the Walmart. Getting very few. So, mostly because I bought a lot of them. But that's alright. Alright, yeah, go ahead and get all 3 of those open. Make this a hair quicker. Alright guys, you already know what we're looking for in here. They got the exclusive parallels, the reds, 1 per hanger pack. And they got some other little parallel cards in here. Starting it out with a Blake Snell. There we go. Cooper. Mike Muncy. Adam Jones, Yadier Molina. Alright, here we go. There's my red card. I'm at Rosario. That's cool. Nice, Mookie Betts, not numbered. It's funny because some of them are numbered, some of them aren't. I know they're different, but Chris Sale. Kyle Tucker, rated rookie. That's a good one. There we go. Ryan O'Hearn, rated rookie. Jose Altuve. Alright, guys. Oh, Shohei right there. Very good. Very good. Alright, and that finishes that up for pack 1. I hope everybody out there has had themselves a great weekend. It's back to the old grind tomorrow. Not like I really stopped. I pretty much worked. Well, I didn't pretty much. I did work this whole weekend. That is alright. Justin Verlander. Blake Snell again. Hey, there we go. Blake Snell again. Kluber again. Mike Muncy. Wow, is this the same pack? You serious? Guys, this is pretty much the exact same pack. Did you guys see that? Christian Yelich. Wow, I can't believe that. That's pretty much the exact same pack. Wow. Let's see if it continues. Andrew Benintendi. Now, I have still yet to pull Edward Diaz, the new Seattle Mariner pitcher, Yusei Kikuchi. I have still yet to pull that guy, Mitch Haniger. Alright, well the pack definitely changed a little bit. Zach Greinke. That was a little weird at Giancarlo Stanton. Looked like the same exact pack there for a second. So, all these guys scooted off towards the side. Here we go, 3rd pack. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Hey, Paul Goldschmidt. There we go. Perfect. Lorenzo Cain. Walker Buehler. Shohei Ohtani. Mookie Betts. And that's Jack Flaherty. Yeah. Max Muncy Red. Oh, I'm just going to drop them all. Alright, so the hanger packs have not been that good to me with hits. I have yet to pull a hit out of a hanger pack. Yeah. That's alright. That is alright. Hopefully we find something cool in the hanger box. Who knows? We might. And of course that big box there, hopefully that thing was worth the $40 price tag that Walmart had on it. But then again, you never know. With the random luck that baseball cards are, anything can be in these boxes. Some guys have told me they pulled their first one-of-ones out of hanger boxes, hanger packs. That's crazy. Alright. Well, nothing thick in it, guys. So maybe an auto. Fingers crossed for an auto. Here we go. Break this down. There we go. Steven Strasburg, Corey Kluber, Adam Jones, Francisco Mejia. That's cool. Oh, yeah, Kyle Tucker. Very cool. Chris Sale. David Wright. Ryan O'Hearn. Here we go. Getting down to the fun stuff. Who we got here? Christian Yelich. Numbered. Oh, this one's numbered. Very cool. That one looks like 525 of 999. Cool. Oh, that's a nice Altuve. Very cool. Alright. Well, that does it for all the shiny stuff, so not going to get a hit in the hanger box. Not today. Brandon Crawford. That's alright. These are really cool cards. I really like these cards. I'm digging them. Might be just about done with them, though. Oh, that's a nice Kevin Newman. Very cool. Tyler O'Neill. Matt Carpenter. Jose Ramirez. Alright. Starlin Marte, Diamond King. J.D. Martinez. KB, Chris Bryant, right there. Mac Muncy. Jose Altuve. And Blake Snell to finish this out the Diamond Kings. Wow, I was staring at the Diamond Kings, but to finish out the Donruss. So not too bad. Definitely got a couple parallels and good rookies out of it. Go ahead, recap that real quick, and we'll move on. So I got the Christian Yelich, numbered. Got the Kyle Tucker, Shohei Ohtani Diamond Kings. I got the Juan Soto Jr. card. Shohei Ohtani, Kyle Tucker again, and then this nice red Ahmed Rosario card. Alright, it's not too bad. Let's get into this big box, guys. There we go. Score to top. That's a pretty big box. I might want to put it in the back there with the rest of them. Very nice. Very nice box. Here we go. I don't know why they put out such a big box for just a handful of cards. That's all that's in it. Just that. As I continue to bump the camera around. Yep. Nothing else in it. Just an empty box. Alright, so those are my two special parallel sets. One pack does not look any bigger than the other, so we'll just get to ripping and hope we find something. Yep. Like I was saying in the last video, the look of these cards are really cool. I really do like the look. Not bad. Sing So Chu. Albert Pujols, nice. Alright, that's pack one. Yeah, these packs go pretty quickly. Of course, I think they only said there's like 7 cards per pack. 6 cards per pack, something like that. Let's count. Garrett Cole. Ian Happ. Freddie Freeman. There's J.D. Oh, look at that. I just got one of those yesterday. Same color. Alright, J.D. Martinez. Photo by J.D. Martinez. Alright. Yep, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in that one. Nice. It's funny to pull the same little cards out of the same little bins. It's silly. It is. Alright. Got a Manny Machado. Oh, there's a no name. Right there. Ryan Healy. Let's take a look at that one. That's interesting. First one of those I pulled. Well, given the fact this only makes the second box I broke, yeah. Colt Calhoun. No name on the front. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's the parallels. Alright. Hopefully there's something cool in these. Alright, come on. Give me something cool. Oh, that one's really cool. That's a very cool Jackie Robinson right there. Very nice. And Mike Zunino. Former Mariner. That's a very cool Jackie Robinson card. Awesome. Have yet to pull any numbered cards out of the handful of packs that I've opened. Not even exactly sure if they do numbered cards in this product. I don't know. I don't know if they do or not. I did read the box. I don't remember if they said they do or not. Brandon Crawford. Alright. Keep it going. Just got 5 more packs left and then the 2 exclusive packs. Oh. There we go. Jacob deGrom's going to start us off for this one. Oh, that's a really cool one. That's cool. I wonder if that'll be a short print in this. I got to go back through and read all the numbers. Read the little codes at the bottom right there. Oh, focus. Right there. That little code right there. Go back and read that. See if it looks the same as the rest or if it's different. If it's different, it's a short print. A lot of you guys know that already, though. Just in case you didn't, now you know. Well, I got one here with a... Oh, yeah. Looks like I got another one of those little rounded off cards. Who we got here? Chris Bryant. Next. Alright. Craig Kimbrell. Next. What do you mean next? Like, where's the next place you're going to work? Because I am not sure if this guy has signed yet or not with anybody. I heard there was some talk that he was looking for more money. But I never looked too deep in it. That's cool. That's way cool. Alright. Down to 3 packs and then our 2 exclusive packs. And then you guys can get back on to your Sunday routine and and ready to go back to the old work. Nice. There's the Coke Calhoun with his name on the bottom of it. So that's cool. Got both of them. Or at least got two variants of them. Alright, guys. 2 packs. Shohei Ohtani. Alright, there we go. First Ohtani I pulled out of that. Nice. Here's the backs. Of course, I showed you a couple of backs already. Alright, guys. Last pack. Then we get on to those parallels. Alright. Walker Buehler. Buster Posey. Austin Meadows. McFreed. George Springer finishes out that. Alright, so that was the actual packs from the box. Let's get into these little parallel guys real quick. Last night's wasn't too bad. Hopefully we can pull auto or something out of that. That'd be cool. Alright, these are purple. Last night's were green. So Buster Posey, Mitch Haniger, Masahiro Tanaka. I'm pretty sure I just butchered his name. Luis Severino, Johnny Cuetos. Alright, not bad, not bad. Last one. Here we go, guys. Jackie Bradley Jr., that's a nice one. Freddie Freeman. Alright, guys. Well, that was it. That was the break for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you actually stuck around to see the whole thing. I really appreciate it when you guys do that. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I love and appreciate all of you, and thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this content, please hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and like always, leave a comment, because I will always answer them back. You guys, take it easy, and I will see you at the next break.